How do I get rid of a 1/4 acre of bamboo established 50 years ago? And this is from Bill. We're talking bamboo 50 years it's been established.
There's just no way to say this other than this is going to be a challenge.
It's going to be tough.
I mean, with time and with a lot of sweat.
Wow.
Yeah.
So a couple of things that come to mind for me. Of course, we know bamboo's in the grass family.
Yeah.
You got to get as much of the root mass as possible. That's number one, right?
Yeah.
It might be some machinery involved in
Yeah.
that. Number two, if you mow often enough, maybe you can deplete the rhizomes of the carbohydrates.
Yeah.
Maybe?
No, I would agree. I think that it'll be a process. And there's always, the option combined with mowing. There, might be some herbicide options. And for a, scale, of course, everybody needs to make their own decisions about that. But for this large an area, it's something to consider. There are barriers. I'm telling you, the barriers, they crack me up, right?
Okay.
Because people will talk about, well, you could pour concrete, but then over time, the concrete will have a crack and
come right through it.
It is, yeah. So we're talking about one of the more aggressive, challenging, weedy options.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a challenge.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you can't get all of the root mass, I would just mow it and mow it and mow it and mow it, and hopefully
weaken.
Yeah, you can deplete it of its carbohydrates. And then you did mention the herbicide option as a non-selective, option that you can use.
Yeah.
Just read the following label on that, but it's still going to be multiple applications.
Right. Yeah. No matter what you do, there's no silver bullet on this one.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.